in the world of Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing. Precision, compliance, and quality are the keys to success. But how do you ensure that every process runs smoothly and meets regulatory standards? The answer lies in well-defined standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures are the backbone of a well-functioning Ayurvedic manufacturing unit. They ensure consistency, regulatory compliance, and product safety, ultimately helping you build a trusted brand. At Sun Consultation, we specialize in designing customized standard operating procedures that align with GMP, good manufacturing practices, and regulatory requirements. We work closely with you to establish clear, efficient, and audit-ready processes. Our standard operating procedures cover all critical aspects of manufacturing, including manufacturing procedures, ensuring step-by-step process standardization, quality assurance and quality control, maintaining product consistency and compliance, hygiene and environmental control, establishing cleanliness protocols, document and record management, organizing essential records for audits and traceability, equipment calibration and maintenance, keeping machinery in optimal condition, raw material and finished goods handling, ensuring proper storage and quality checks, and much more. With Sun Consultation, you get expert-crafted standard operating procedures that simplify operations, reduce compliance risks, and enhance efficiency. Ready to streamline your Ayurvedic manufacturing process? Contact us today. Because compliance isn't just a requirement, it's the foundation of success.